Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 2.9.10 and we are going to delete files and directories. So the White Horse project which Will Adam have been working on is complete. Everything produced under the code name has been backed up and removed from the server. You now need to remove the White Horse directory structure from your local system. Complete the lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to use a single command to delete the /home/wadams/wh directory and all of its contents. So let's just go ahead and start up lab. So we just wait for the lab to load. Meanwhile, if you need a detailed video guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, you might want to consider joining my professional membership where you get one-on-one detailed insider specs and a video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Alright, so this lab is open. Let's go ahead and open terminal. Type in rm-rf -wh and then we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Share so that others can benefit also, and consider joining my professional membership where you get insider specs on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.